Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and today we finally got a sunny day. It's fairly warm, and I have got to get these onions out. So today, Sourdough Dave and I worked on making these hoops for my onions. We're going to put the onions out here because our new boxes have not arrived yet. And I'm not going to put them out front as I did last year. So we're hoping that this will be a prime place for them to grow. Last year in the fall, I did put in worm castings, new compost on top, and some other things. I think I was some blood meal I threw in there also. So this ground should be perfect for starting. Now we built the hoop because at night it's still dropping down fairly low, but it's more for wind protection, and because if it stays sunny I'm going to need to put fleece on it to prevent them from burning up, since I did not harden them off. I didn't harden them off last year because it was so cold, but the ground, this ground is a mixture of warmer spots and colder spots. So I'm going to show you my I'm trying to get you straightened out here. I'm going to show you my onions. I'm going to go and get them. As you can see, they are long past overdue. Let's see if I can bring you closer. There you go. They're long overdue for being planted, and I'm just going to start going at it and hope and pray that it all works out in the end. So I'm going to keep you here for a little bit. I'm not going to make you watch this whole thing. I mean, it's fairly simple. Some of these are Walla Wallas, and some of them are yellow onions, and Spanish onions, and they have needed to come out, as you can see. And I'm going to cut the tops off of these after I get them in. Now, onions are very hardy, I found, and it doesn't matter if you'll just shake them and shake off the soil. You can get them to go apart very easily. You see that? And then I'm just going to plug them in at a fairly decent width. I'm not going to bury them deep. They don't like to go deep. They need that space in order to grow the bulb. These have been in way too long. I'm spreading them probably about 4 to 6 inches apart, because I do have quite a few. Some of them have died, some never took hold. But as you can see, like I said, just sprinkle them apart and they come apart. Very simple. They're really one of the coolest plants to repot or get them into the soil, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably out of your view now. I'm not sure where I'm at because I can't watch that and do this at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo this whole thing, and when I'm done I'll show you what it looks like. Please ignore the back noise. There's nothing I can do about it. Alright guys, here it is. This is the end of it, and boy did it take me some time to do this. There were a lot of onions there, and you may think that's a lot, but I don't know if these are going to make it or not. You never know what's going to happen here in Alaska. So if it gets real cold or something happens, then I'm messed up. But I had so much extra soil in this container or garden that I had to take out all of this. There's another bucket in the corner. There's some over there, over there, over there with a few onions I'm not going to use. It's just, it was overloaded with soil. So I had to remove a bunch because as the onions grow, so the bulb has to come up, and when it does, it doesn't like to have soil around it. So what I'll have to do, even during the summer as the bulbs are growing, I'll have to be removing more soil. So that's it for today. I didn't want to put you through a fast forward of me doing all this nonsense. Number one, because I don't know how to do it. Number two, because it's just easier this way for you and for me. I hope this will show you a little what's going on here in Alaska. It's still cold at night, and this soil really isn't where it should be. So I'm gonna hope and pray everything works out. I'm getting ready to put the plastic on top of it for the evening, and hope that all goes well. Thank you all for watching. I love y'all. I thank you. Don't be afraid to throw a comment down or something if you know something I don't know, or if I can help you. I love you all. Take care now. Bye-bye.